These adorable yeast dough Easter bunnies are the perfect addition for your Easter breakfast or brunch buffet. The light and fluffy pastries also make a great gift for everyone who loves home-baked goods. Let me show you the simple ingredients that you need to make 8 large bunnies or 16 small bunnies. 5 cups all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of lukewarm milk, 1 tablespoon yeast, 1 stick soft butter cut into small cubes, 2 large eggs, 1 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla sugar or 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, ½ teaspoon of salt, a few raisins for the bunny's eyes. I already soaked my raisins in hot water. This will prevent them from getting hard and bitter during the baking process. As always, you can find a link to the printable recipe in the video description. Sieve your flour to a stand mixer bowl and then form a well in the middle of the flour. Then add the yeast, a couple of tablespoons of sugar, and about 1/3 cup of the lukewarm milk to the well. Mix all the ingredients in the well while incorporating a little bit of the flour from the rim. Use a clean kitchen towel or plastic wrap to cover the bowl and allow it to sit for about 15 minutes. After the 15 minutes, cover the well with some flour and add the remaining ingredients. Knead on low for about 5 minutes and then on medium-high for another 5 to 10 minutes until a smooth elastic dough forms. Then cover the bowl again and allow the dough to rise for about 90 minutes. In the meantime, drain the raisins just before you start to shape the dough. To shape the dough, place it on a slightly floured working space and knead it briefly. And then divide it into 8 or 16 equal-sized pieces, depending on how many bunnies you want to make. In this video, I only make 4 bunnies and use the rest for an Easter bread. You can find the recipe for the Easter bread in the right corner of the video. Shape each piece of dough to a ball and then place it onto a slightly floured area and cover the dough balls. Roll each dough ball to a long rope and then cut off a 1-inch piece and a 2-inch piece. Roll the long piece up like a snail. This will be the bunny's body. Then shape the small piece to a little ball, and this will be the bunny's tail. For the bunny's head, roll the ends of the 2-inch piece to look a little pointy and then fold it into the half. Assemble the bunny on a with parchment-lined baking sheet. Press a little hole into the dough and then add the raisin as the bunny's eye. I like my bunnies happy, so I give them a little smiley face. After you shaped all bunnies, cover them with a clean kitchen towel and allow them to rise for about 15 to 30 minutes. Then whisk an egg with a little bit of milk to a smooth consistency and brush each bunny with the mixture. Bake them in a 350 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 10 to 15 minutes. Allow the bunnies to cool completely on a cooling rack. And I love to add a little bow to make them look more festive. Guten Appetit und frohe Ostern!